I don't like to talk about money at all, but I know you guys are curious as to how much I made on about 3 videos back, how much money YouTube paid me for the first 3 months. I know you all might be curious about that. And hi, I'm Diane, and the only reason I'm doing this video is to show you that you can do this too. I just want to encourage you to keep on keeping on. I tried for over a year before it happened for me. So, you just never know. Never know when that one video is going to just take off and make you some extra money. So, for all of you who have been wondering, how much can I actually make? I mean, you hear these gurus talking about making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Let's get real and talk about normal people. Normal people. Okay? So I'm going to show you videos that I have made and how much money they made. It'll be real quick. It's just like four videos. I'm just going to show you the screen where it shows you how much I got paid. Okay. This first video I'm going to show you got 602 views. Okay, it's the emotional side of retirement. So, here we go. Yeah, so like $3.66. Okay, here's my second video. I made it. It's my last video. It was A Beautiful Boy Dies, talking about my grandson and my daughter's nonprofit. It has gotten 1,115 views. Here's what it's made. $6.23. Okay, here's the third video. I've Never Been Enough. It has made, the views were 1,906 views. Here you go. $16.88. It's getting better. Okay, now the fourth video is, made it last week, or week before. I'm 76 and live a simple life. It has gotten 5,111 views. This is what I've made. $30.02. Yeah. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Oh my gosh, if you don't make any more than that, why am I trying to do YouTube? Why? Well, let me tell you why. You never know when you're going to have a video that's just going to go off. I've had 3 that have done that. Never would have thought it in my life that I would have 3 videos that would have over 100,000 views. Never would have thought it, but I have, and I'm actually only been doing this seriously since July. It's November. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, here's the video. How much YouTube has paid me my first 3 months of monetization. Here it is. Okay, that was $1,200. That was $1,200. You see? Now, Let me tell you something extra. All of those viewers that watched that video decided they like me, they think I'm honest, and they want to see some more videos. So they start watching more of my videos. I have probably 80 something like that. So they're watching more of my videos, earning me more income. And you know, this can all fluctuate depending on how long they watch, according to how much money the ads will pay you. But I try to stay focused and engaged. I'm old. I do the best I can, you know. So all of that adds up. Now, for 4 days, the 1st of November, I had made $62. That was in my account that I would be paid in December for November. Okay, now on that 5th day, I posted the video, how much money YouTube paid me. Okay, now you have to take into consideration I've got more subscribers because of that video. I've got more people watching my other videos. A lot of people have told me they've been binge watching my videos. Oh my God, I can't believe that. Okay, all of this is extra money. So November the 14th, I think that's today, I'm going to show you what I have made from $62 on the 4th to the 14th. How much money I have made. Really all in part to that one video. Okay, here it is. In my book, that's $1,500. And it's just the 14th of November. $1,500. I'm very happy about that. Not lying. Very happy about that. Now keep in mind that tonight at 10 o'clock, I will get paid for today. So that will be added onto it. And I'm hoping it's $150. I don't know. You never know about YouTube. Now the tax has already been taken out of that amount. That is the amount I will receive, plus what I'll make the next 2 weeks on YouTube. So it's totally worth it. It's totally worth it. You just have to post a video that gets enough views that propels you into the 1,000 subscribers and the watch hours to be 5,000, or is it 4,000? Is it 4,000? I think it is. Okay, so you have to get there before you can get monetized, and then it will all start to pay off. You just have to be patient, you have to be hopeful, and you have to make videos that you think somebody might want to watch. Okay? Now I am not bragging. I am not bragging. I don't like talking about money. I didn't want to share this with you. I didn't want to share the other video with you. But I did it to encourage someone who's struggling. It's the only reason I did it. So, if I can help, that's all I wanted to do. So if that encouraged you, I'm so glad. Okay? That's it. I will see you next time, and love is coming your way.